What if your new year could start peaceful, confident, and full of hope? Joy isn't something you chase. It's something you make space for. The holidays can bring up old memories, the pain, the people, the pressure. And if you're not careful, we carry that heaviness into the next chapter. But you don't have to. You get to choose what you let go of and what you hold on to. Take a deep breath. Let peace be your goal. Let joy be your practice. This is your time to release the old, welcome the new, and believe again in what's possible. Because even after everything, your heart still knows how to heal. Save this as your reminder to prepare your heart for joy. And click the link in the bio or in the description for your free comeback blueprint. Your next chapter starts with peace.